So do you have any concerns about the role of the military in Pakistani society that you would seek to change if you were elected?
In fact, the military in Pakistan right now never has an army chief played a role as he has today. He has time and time again stated that he stands for Pakistan's democracy. He stands behind Pakistan's constitution. He stands behind Pakistan's Supreme Court. Now, and he has ruled out there's no chance of martial law in Pakistan. So this is a welcome change in our country's history. You see, when you... I have absolutely no concerns. When you talk about military, you actually talk about the army chief. The military changes under every army chief. So military under General Musharraf would be different. And I opposed him. A military under General Bajwa, this current army chief, he is probably the most pro-democratic military man we've seen. He is being criticized by Nawaz Sharif because he's not helping Nawaz Sharif to get off his corruption cases.